And I'm leaning against. I don't think I'll go because I've looked. They've got like 500 guns listed so far, and it's just.
Ben, thanks very much.
All right.
It's been a pleasure.
Cheers.
It's nice to meet you. Thank you.
Yeah, what we're saying there, strike it as a magnet, 1 or 2 knots or a wrong yourself.
Yeah, I think the opposing ones.
So I just wonder if you'll get a proper strike out of it.
Damals vielleicht Geld gekriegt und dies und jenes. Ja. Jetzt kommt er jetzt mit einer Probe vorher, der
It's the big neovariant. Yes, it's the shorter.
welche Preisklasse du gibst? Wie jetzt auch gesagt, ich in der Annahme Träger bin. The change in price is depending on the stock and possibilities. Just in
Wünsche dir alles Gute.
We don't make a big production. We make only 2,000. We are in between artisan and industrial production.
schätzen zum Beispiel.
Welke haal is dat? 4, ja, ik zit in 7 op het moment. Ja, ik ga er.
How many shots do you have on this caliber?
How many shots?
Yes.
It must directly on the bottle. Must directly fill to an air bottle.
It's 9mm, yeah?
This is a 308.
308, yes. Okay.
That one is better. But we have 5 different calibers.
Chronograph this, yeah? 400, yeah.
A real punching rider. See one today at your local dealer.
You don't shoot it out here, so you're going to shoot it so the rest they yell. They already came and yelled at me while I was shooting. You can sling right there. Safety on top of oh yeah. The safety's on. I'll do it later. I'll do it later. When we go in the conference room. Alright.
Oh yeah, the hammer of the gun hits this. Yeah, that's it. So you just shoot your trigger. Yeah, but it fits on existing AR rifle.
Yeah, there's only 50 million of them.
Oh yeah, I know.
And
Yeah, that's me.
Russia or UK? UK? Russia.
Russia.
€.
What?
€.
I know, but it's electronic gear, yeah?
No electronic. It's just the electronic system. So fire the air.